unboxing my school bag. Anyways guys, I'm so glad kasi dumating na siya. Nakaabot talaga siya kasi face to face na namin bukas. Dahil dun sa earthquake, parang nag-module kami for 3 months. And hindi kami nagkita-kita tapos nag-online modules kami. Ganun. I'm so excited with this. Dumating na siya. This is a new bag. Ooh, it's gray. Let's open it. Wow. Look at that. Look at this one. It's leather. And it's so makapal. Look at this. Wow. You have two of this. And here. Oh. It opens like this. And you have a space here. And wow, it's so spacious. A tablet could fit in here. Guys, there's a zipper inside. Ooh, coins. Wow. This is leather ah. This is good. Because face to face na kami pero limited lang kasi nga diba? May earthquake dito so yung mga classrooms is nasira siya. Hindi siya nang repair. Wow, I love this. Amazing. I miss being a student. I miss being a student. The design is very good and it's leather and look at this. A tablet. So guys, this bag is very spacious. You have here the notebooks and here may lagayan kayo dyan for coins. That's the zipper. And here is for your important things, perfume, mini fan, anything. And here, that's very spacious. And you got dalawang ganto for water and umbrella. And right here is another important things like this. And you can put lunchbox in here. And yeah, it's very good and nice.